What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. So today I'm going to cover 8 ways that you can make money right from your home or your laptop. You know, if you're stranded, and this works obviously if you're stranded and quarantined right now or 6 months from now if you watch this in like October or November, okay? Now I did record this video, believe it or not, earlier this morning, and for whatever reason I guess I forgot to turn autofocus on. So it is manually focused and the video is actually a little blurry, but regardless, I'm just going to roll with the punches and I'm going to drop it here in a second, okay? It is a little blurry, but everything in the video, all the information is great. I highly recommend that you take it in and take action and pick maybe 1 or 2 business models max. It's really going to help you out to make and supplement some income right from your home, or take advantage of the time if you have extra time, you know, while you're quarantined, okay? Now, that said, there's also free information linked in the description on every one of these business models. If one piques your interest, go ahead, click down in the description, check it out, but don't just click down and check out all the free information initially. Watch the video because I'll cover why they're good business models, how you can implement them, sites involved with them, and more information that's going to be valuable to you, okay? So with that being said, here's the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. So today I'm going to go in a little bit of a different direction. I'm going to give you 8 ways that you can make money and utilize your time better right now, right from your house and your computer, okay? These are all things that I've done myself and all things that I've tried myself. Now, this comes because a lot of people are freaking out about the coronavirus and the current situation. A lot of people have a lot more time on their hands, and a lot of people are worried about the potential, loss of their jobs, or they just want to supplement a little bit of their income, right? So I'm going to give you 8 ways that I think that you can make money right from your house and your computer, that you're going to be able to utilize your extra time to maybe just pull in a little bit of extra side income. Or if you like them, you can scale them up, some of them, to a full-time income and really build a business around them, okay? So this video is really gonna help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you appreciate the value in today's video. It's a serious topic, and I really hope it helps a lot of you. So I've tried all of these, like I said, and I'm gonna outline them for you here in a second. How you can get started, the websites you can get started on, how you go about approaching the business model and certain things like that. But I've tried all of these because, like I always recommend to new entrepreneurs, or anybody getting into it in general, right? You want to try a bunch of different things and find out what you like and what you're good at. Then when you find out what you like and you're good at, you want to double down on that and strictly go after that, okay? So just a little caveat on why I've tried them all. Now, I don't do them all currently, but I have tried them all and I have made money with, I believe, most of them except the one. Now that I'm looking at it, I haven't made money with the one, but I have actually uploaded one to there, okay? So like I said, this is gonna be relevant whether you're stuck inside due to the coronavirus right now, or 6 months from now if you're watching this in like October or November. You can still utilize these to make money from your house and from your computer. So the first one is to consult, right? We all have an expertise. For example, my buddy, he's an accountant, right? If he got stuck or he got fired from his job, he could go on a site like clarity.fm, that's where I host my consulting, and do consulting for people that need their taxes done, right? That's a great way that you can charge by the minute, and you can set, I've seen people set like minutes all the way up to like $10 or $20 on that site. Obviously, you don't want to do that when you're just getting started because you want to build up your reviewer profile and give yourself a little bit more social proof, but it's a great way that anybody can do. Everybody has an expertise, everybody's good at something. For you, it might not be accounting, maybe it's digital marketing, right? Maybe it's running advertising. You can come up, I don't know exactly what your skill set is, but you can come up with something and you can do consulting on clarity.fm around that and make money just talking on the phone right from your house, okay? So that's number 1. It's a great opportunity that anybody can do. The second one would be to create online courses. Now, for whatever reason, when I suggest this, the majority of people don't want to go about doing it, and I don't know why. This has been a staple of my income since I started entrepreneurship. I stumbled upon it, and I've still been doing it every single day. In fact, I'm going later to record another course. It's a little mini course, obviously. These are mini courses, right? So they're not like my premium courses. They're mini courses, and I slap them up on sites like Udemy, right? Then I repurpose them for sites like Skillshare, Stack Commerce, Amazon Video Direct, and a number of other places, right? Then I strip the audio and I upload them to other places for audio, right? So there's a great opportunity to do online courses right now. It's going to be passive income once you create it. That's why I still do it today. You take a little bit of time. You create the little mini course around whatever you're good at or whatever you like, right? Today, I'm filming something on X ways that I've made money online. because I think it's a great opportunity to do so, and I think it can help a lot of people, and because I have a lot of extra time on my hands, right? Same thing for you. If you're good at soccer, for example, guess what? You can take a camera or your iPhone, get a little tripod, or have someone film it, record soccer moves, create a soccer course. You can create a course around anything, slap it up on sites like that, and it will earn for you for the months and years to come passively. Great business model, highly, highly, highly recommend it. I have an entire course that teaches how to obviously rank courses on Udemy. I have about 400,000 students now. It's been a staple of my income, just Udemy alone, for the past 3 years now. So I know what I'm talking about. That course will go over Udemy, Stack Commerce, Amazon Video Direct, podcasting. I know I'm missing a couple, Skillshare. There's a bunch on there. You can get into that course for free. I'll drop that down in the description below. It's a free trial, so a free 30-day trial. If you like it, stay in it. If you don't, cancel. It's really, really simple, okay? It's called Content Creation Pro. Second link in the description for the 30-day trial, okay? The next one would be to start a YouTube channel or a podcast or a blog. Now, you might be sitting there saying, Brian, that's a horrible idea. This is not gonna pay me. Why would I do that? And you'd be right. It's not gonna pay you right now. It is a long game, but YouTube is still one of the best, literally, if not the best, online marketing places, period, right? It's the best way to market your business or to grow a business or to get traffic to a website or whatever, okay? So you should look into, especially right now, while you have extra time on your hands, look into starting a YouTube channel. It's a great time to do so. Look into starting a podcast or look into starting a blog. A lot of people shy away from blogs, and blogs get a bad rap now because obviously we're in 2020 and blogs kind of died out. But I always like to say, when people are kind of shifting their attention and moving in the video direction or the audio direction, that gives a great opportunity for written word. So start a YouTube channel, start a podcast, start a blog. It's a great opportunity to do so. You might not be able to monetize it today. You might not be able to monetize it in a month from now, but 6 months from now, you're gonna be able to build a business around whatever that is. You're gonna be able to get revenue from it, and you're gonna be really grateful that you spent your time now building that, okay? Highly recommend that you do that as well. And if you guys have questions on any of these, drop them down in the comments section below. I'd love to answer them for you, okay? The next one's a great one. It's a great option to make money right now. Just like I said with the first one and the second one, really, and the third one, anybody can do this. So I want you to freelance. You can freelance around anything. You can use sites like Fiverr or Upwork. There's several others, but those are the two most popular, and sell services, right? So if you are good at accounting, right, you could sell that on Upwork. I have an entire friend that his entire business is pretty much just on Upwork, and he makes an entire income doing that. It's great money, okay? You can build a business around anything just on Upwork. You can also build a business around anything just on Fiverr doing services, okay? Now, it doesn't have to be your business. You don't have to scale it all the way up. You can just do it for some extra side income every month to supplement your income, okay? It's a great way to do so. You can get on there right now, today, and make money and get your first gig, okay? Or make your first sale on Upwork, okay? And one of the benefits of Upwork and Fiverr as well is you can reach out to people. You don't actually have to just sit and wait for the organic traffic for somebody to find you, okay? So take the initiative, hop on there, figure out what services you can offer, and start freelancing. It's a great time to do so. The next thing is one that I love and is near and dear to my heart. So obviously I love online arbitrage and reselling. So what I do is I source things online. Obviously, if you're watching this channel, you know that, okay? But what I would recommend for the majority of people that are stuck inside is, everybody has extra things around the house, okay? So whether you want to source, that's great. Obviously, this channel will show you how to do that. There's a million tutorials, a million ways to source. But everybody has excess stuff around their house that they can sell that they don't need anymore. Maybe that's clothes. Maybe there's a video game over there that I haven't played in decades. I listed it on Amazon as FBM the other day, sold today. I made $14.95 on it, so obviously I didn't make $14.95. I think I made like $8 after shipping it out and after the fees. But you can sell things around the house that you don't need anymore and that you don't use and make an extra couple $100 to $1,000 and then utilize that to either, supplement, to, basically put aside as like your cash reserve if you're a little worried, or invest once this is all over into a real business model so you can scale that up, okay? So sell things around the house. Obviously, you can utilize and leverage sites like Poshmark for clothes or really anything. That's great place to do so. eBay, Mercari, and Amazon. FBM currently because they're not currently accepting FBA shipments, but that will change in the future, okay? Amazon's like one of the only companies right now that's hiring people for their warehouses. So they're not going away anytime soon, okay? The next one is a great option for people that are just getting into it, and it's a great option for beginners and experienced people alike, especially right now, okay? And that would be to start an agency. Now, I didn't tell you to start a social marketing agency. I didn't tell you to start an advertising agency. I just said start an agency. The reason being is you can build an agency around anything. All an agency is basically you're gonna bring leads, customers, or marketing to a company in exchange for a retainer, okay? So you can build an agency around anything. Obviously, Tai Lopez made social media marketing agencies famous, right? Oh, there's a lot of advertising agencies out there. There's also a lot of marketing agencies out there. But you can build something around anything. I always tell the story of these people. When I was younger, I used to play soccer pretty competitively, and there was this company called UK Elite that came over from the UK and trained people. And guess what they were? They were a soccer agency, right? Your club paid them a retainer, right? And then they would come train you a set amount of time. So they were a soccer agency. You can build an agency around anything and then basically sell that as a service to businesses. It doesn't have to be businesses, right? It doesn't have to be B2B. Like social media marketing. You can also do B2C, maybe sell it to entrepreneurs or sell it to whoever. Obviously, I don't know what your expertise or skill is. Maybe if you want to drop a comment below, I can help you brainstorm if you have a question. But start an agency. It's a great opportunity to do so. Why is it? Because A, you can do it remotely from anywhere. So you can do it from your laptop and your house, right? And B, it doesn't cost you anything. That's why I love that business model. I preach it to a lot of beginners, even though I don't do it. I go to check out agencies, right? Go learn how to start an agency because it costs $0 to start up an agency. There's practically no overhead, right? You don't really have to spend any money, and what you get from the company or the business or the entrepreneur, right? If it's B2C, is gonna be practically 100% profit. So you sign a client for $1,000 a month, that's $1,000 a month profit. You sign a client for $5,000 a month, guess what? That's $5,000 a month profit, right? Or maybe $4,500 if you're outsourcing something, right? So great opportunity. Go out, learn how to start an agency. It's a great place to start for beginners and experienced people alike, okay? The next one is to record ebooks or audiobooks. Same thing as courses, right? Just like courses, they're gonna be passive income that pay you for the months and years to come. So you start, for example, you recorded a course, right? Strip the audio, put it out as an audiobook on Amazon, right? Boom, done. Or I guess that's Audible, right? So Audible, Amazon owns Audible, right? Same thing. You want to get it transcribed and then drop it as an ebook on Kindle, right? And boom. So you don't have to create the courses. If you just want to create an ebook or an audiobook, you want to record yourself, if you're not comfortable getting in front of the camera, just record an audio course, slap it up on Audible, and sell it as an audio course, right? Then get it transcribed or transcribe it yourself. We all have a lot of extra time right now. And then slap it up on Kindle as an ebook. Boom. Those are going to be 2 streams of income for you that pay you for the next month, for the next couple months, and the next couple years that you don't ever have to do anything else for. They just sit there, whether they pay you $5 a month, whether they pay you $2 a month, or whether they pay you $2,000 a month, okay? I know people that make full-time incomes just from Audible. Pretty crazy, okay? So record ebooks, record audiobooks, another great way. Obviously, audiobooks, I'm introducing audiobooks and ebooks into my Content Creation Pro course. It's not currently in there, but it is something that's coming very, very soon. Currently, it's just kind of focused on podcasting and online courses and stuff like that on a number of sites, but you don't need the ebooks or the audiobook modules, but those will come soon, okay? And finally, this one isn't gonna make you any money immediately, but I highly recommend that whether you take any of these other ones, you also implement this. It's learn new skills, read new books, take new courses, and watch informational videos, okay? We all have extra time on our hands, and you can make the decision on what you do with that extra time, right? Are you gonna sit in front of the TV and watch an extra episode of Netflix, or maybe start a new Amazon Prime Video series or something like that, right? Or a new Hulu series, or you're gonna watch a couple movies, right? You have extra time. Are you going to use it for leisure and entertainment because, hey, you're stuck on the couch because of the coronavirus? Or are you going to utilize that time to sharpen your sword, so to speak? Learn new skills, read new books, watch new videos, take new courses, so that when this is all said and done, when it's all over with, you're a better and more ready person, and you're ready to grasp whatever opportunity comes your way. So those are 8 ways that you can make money. I think I forgot to say that there's also a free trial, so I'll just throw it in right now. There's also a free trial of Online Arbitrage Pro 4.0. down in the description. That's the first link if you want to get in. Free 30-day trial. If you like it, stay in. If not, cancel. It's a great way to learn how to sell things like I do on this channel, okay? So I hope that you like this, guys. I really put a lot of thought into this. I think these are 8 of the best things that you can do with your time to make a little bit of extra money now or set yourself up to make great money in the future. I highly recommend that you take at least one of these and take action on it, okay? So with that being said, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you appreciate the value in today's video. Comment below, let me know what your favorite business model is, whether it's one of these or a different one entirely, and why, and I'll see you in the next one.